Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shakil Ahmad and you are watching this video on your smart tag. Today in this video I gonna show you how to create Facebook page on your Android. Before starting my video, I request you to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest videos. So guys, let's coming to our topic now. First of all, you have to open your Facebook app. I am opening my Facebook app. After that, you must have any Facebook account. I have that account which I have logged in. After that, you have to click on that three lines which you can see here. After that, you have to just scroll down and you can see here the pages option. You just have to click on it. After that, just click on create. You can see here. After clicking on create page, you will see that kind of interface. You just have to click on get started. After that, you have to give there the name of your page. Make sure the page name should be the name of your business, personal brand or organization. You can also request to change this later. I am giving here my page name, your smart tech. After that, you just have to click on next. Now here you have to choose category of your page. It's mean which kind of posts you will publish to your page. You can select your own category. You can select these all categories also. I am selecting here these categories. After that, you just have to click on next. After clicking on next, you have entered there your address. I am living from Karachi. After that, you just have to click on next. After clicking on next, you have seen that kind of interface. If you have website to show people's for business, you just have to put here, and if you don't have any website, you can click on I don't have any website and just click on next. After that, you will see that kind of interface. On that time, you have to upload their profile picture and cover photo. After uploading the photo, you just have to click on done. After that, you can see here your Facebook page is created now. You can edit your page now. You can invite your friends from here. You can create action button also, in which these all options you have seen here. You can select anyone, and these all are the things, and now you can post anything. So guys, this is our video. We will be meet in our next video inshallah. Goodbye and good luck.